Imagine ripples traveling across the very fabric of the universe, waves that were predicted over 100 years ago, but only recently have we been able to detect them. This is the story of gravitational waves and how Einstein's genius continues to inspire the world. Welcome to Einstein AI, the channel where science meets inspiration. Today, we explore one of the most exciting discoveries in physics: gravitational waves. These cosmic vibrations are not just a scientific marvel. They are proof that curiosity, imagination, and perseverance can reveal the unimaginable. Over a century ago, Albert Einstein proposed his theory of general relativity. He suggested that gravity is not just a force pulling objects together, but the bending of space and time itself. Massive objects, like black holes, warp spacetime, and when they move, they send out ripples, gravitational waves, across the universe. At the time, this was just a bold prediction. Today, we can observe these ripples directly. Recently, scientists detected one of the loudest and clearest gravitational wave signals ever recorded. This signal came from the collision of two black holes, 1.3 billion light-years away. Using ultrasensitive instruments like LIGO and advanced AI analysis, we can now hear these cosmic waves. Each detection confirms Einstein's predictions and opens a new window into the mysteries of the universe. Why does this matter? Gravitational waves allow us to observe the universe in ways never before possible. They confirm Einstein's century-old theory and inspire a new generation of scientists, innovators, and thinkers. Just as Einstein's curiosity reshaped our understanding of reality, your own curiosity can lead to discoveries that change the world. Einstein imagined something we now observe. Knowledge, imagination, and curiosity can reveal the unimaginable. Subscribe to Einstein AI and join us as we explore the universe's most fascinating ideas, one discovery at a time.